We have a GCE question here. We have to simplify this question that is given to us. So to simplify this one, we will open the bracket for each of them. I don't want to factor, so here will be 3 times this will give us 3x squared. This time this will give us plus 3xy, and then this time this will give us minus 3xy, and then we have minus 2y squared, then minus open bracket. This also will give us, this time this will give us 3x squared, then minus 3xy. This again time this will give us plus 2xy, and then minus 2y squared, all bracket. So this here will be 3x squared, this minus this, sorry, here is supposed to be 2, so this will give us plus xy, because they are the same, they have the same fact term, but the coefficients are different. So minus 2y squared minus open bracket 3x squared. This minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1, so it will be minus xy, and then minus 2y squared. Let's open the bracket so that we can finalize. X squared plus xy minus 2y squared, minus time this is minus 3x squared, minus minus is plus xy, minus minus is plus 2y squared. So by implication here, this will cancel this, this will also go with this. We are left with xy plus xy, and our final result will be 2xy. So this is how we solve this particular question. Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe to this channel for more.